It's October 30th, day 9. I just woke up and I saw this. It's just like this bright light. I'm like, where's the sun? And then you realize it's foggy today. You know what that means? It means the roads are wet. And I have to ride even slower, which is fine. So I'm planning to go to Plitvice Lakes today and hike around. Just warming up the bike. It's kind of cold today. It was 34 degrees this morning, Fahrenheit. It's probably like 40 something right now. It's kind of cold. I'm gonna put a knit gaiter on. It's kind of cold. We'll just leave that running. Oh. Oh. Okay, I hope I brought it. Please, 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 please. Oh, thank goodness. Nope, that's not it. Huh. I wonder if it's in my backpack. Was I smart? I don't know if I was smart. Huh. Oh. I guess I'll wear a bandana. Better than nothing. I think I'll wear my gloves too, actually. They help a little with the wind. These are my running gloves. I don't run anymore, but they're pretty good for having a second lining for your gloves. Okay. I pulled over to put my inner layer on. I finally gave up. Look at all these chickens. Just hanging out. Adrian, they're like your big and fluffy chickens. Okay, the sun finally came out. It was absolutely freezing. My fingers have finally defrosted. I'm probably 30 kilometers, 40 kilometers from the Plitvice Lakes National Park. So, really enjoying these curves. Well, they're not like super curvy, but just a little bit of wind just to get adjusted to the bike. And I was going up a hill and I forgot I was on a 250, and my kilometers per hour were decreasing from 80 to 60, and I was like, what's going on? I'm like full throttling. Like, oh yeah, I'm on a 250. So for all my friends that are worrying about me, I guess going fast, don't worry, I can't go too fast on this bike. So, you know, when you live in the city, all you smell is smog and pollution, and then you go hiking and it just smells like, well, to me it smells like beef jerky and barbecue. I don't know why. There's like this like mustiness, like wood, earth, moisture, and so that's what all of this smells like. Like, the air is so fresh, and it just smells so refreshing and clean and non-pollution-y. Okay, I've just arrived in, oh man, I forgot what city I arrived. I'm at House Vukovic, and I was parking my bike here, and then I couldn't get the kickstand down, and then I dropped my bike, and Ivan, the son, helped me. That's his little cousin, that's his dad, and that's his mom, and they all run this super cute spot. So I just dropped off my gear, and I'm going to find a grocery store and pick up some food to go, and then head to the national park. So here's my room. I was like carrying all my stuff with my clunky boots, and then Ivan was like, let me help you, and I was like, no, it's okay. And then I was just like, you know, slowly going up like a turtle. He's like, let me help you, and I'm like, no, it's okay. He's like, please, it's heavy. And I'm like, I know it's heavy. So this is my room. Number 2, bathroom, super tall shower, and 2 beds and a closet. So it's actually going to be, I was considering camping, but it's actually going to be 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And I was like, you know, I've done this before. I've done 28 degrees and that was not fun and I couldn't sleep. And let's just not do that type of trip. I'll camp as much as I can during the spring, summer, but not in 32 degrees. That's when water freezes. So I'm smarter this time around. I was just getting GPS directions and I should have done this research before, but they close at 3 p.m. and it's 3:13. So I'm probably gonna find food and see what else is around this area. Well, I guess this just gives me time to explore. Oh well. But that means, so there's actually like 4 main trails throughout the park I was researching, and I was planning to do 2 today and then 1 tomorrow, which would have been like, I don't know, 20 miles. So I guess I'll do the big one tomorrow then. Okay, I didn't feel like cooking, so I found restaurant Dejenia. It had like 3,000 reviews. I didn't like look at the reviews or anything, but all the other restaurants, they're like rated pretty high around the area, but this one had like 3,000 something and the other ones had like 800, which is still pretty good, so let's see. The decor is so pretty. Oh look, my +1.